Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys this magic product that I just uploaded in my store. So as you can see, this is a magic sponge. You can use this to wash the back of your pots. You can use this to wash your tap or any surface. And see the product. So guys, this product is very affordable. You can afford it. It's just $3. So guys, let's watch this video and see the magic. You can also use this to wash your scissors. You can also cut this sponge into pieces for a better use. Now let's look at the features of this magic sponge eraser. Let's look at the features of this magic sponge remover. It is made of high elastic sponge with good water. It is also can be cut into smaller pieces for a better use. It can be used to clean stainless steel. It can be used to clean any surface, and it is also suitable for various surfaces including walls. Clean using only water, making it safe for use around children and pets. So guys, as you can see these pictures here, you can see before then after, before and after. See how powerful this product is. So this is 5 stars for this product. Then these are the reviews, what customers are saying about this product. Very good quality. These are reviews all over the world. So now we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe and share. Goodbye for now.